Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to talk about how to lose those body fat, those belly fat, and after childbirth fat, that is the baby fat. So I was size 8 before pregnancy, and I moved up to size 14. That was so ridiculous. And now I am liking my body because I am back to size 10, which is really good for me, because I was struggling to get to size 10 before I got pregnant, but it was difficult for me to get to that. But actually the baby fat really helped, and now I've been able to from size 14 during pregnancy, and now I am back to size 10, and I want to share with you 3 natural ingredients that I use to get this good result, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button, and also I would like your comments and your likes, and please share with your friends. And I know video will be helpful to you and also your friends. I'm really seeing a good result, so try it on and you'll definitely see a good result, because to work out is not really easy on me. I have a baby in my hand, so I really find it difficult to get up in the morning to do those workouts to burn those belly fat. I tried it for like 2 days. I was unable to continue, so I tried to check online, and I got these 3 basic ingredients that is really doing the miracle for me. One of the ingredients I used is water. Water is basic, water is life. So in whatever you're doing, you're cooking, you're drinking, you need water, and it helps in hydrating you and also hydrating the skin. Always advised to at least take 8 cups of water, so water is very essential in this. And one ingredient I use is lemon. Lemon is very good for you, and if you are breastfeeding, don't be scared to use this, because lemon is power packed fruit, because it's rich in vitamin C. It prevents digestive problems in babies, so it is good also when you take it. You as a mother, you take it, it will help the baby. So don't be scared to use lemon while burning those belly fat as a breastfeeding mother. And if you're not breastfeeding, it is also good for you. It helps in toning the skin. When you take lemon, it helps to tone your skin because it has vitamin C in it, and vitamin C helps in toning the skin if you want to tone your skin. And also it helps in production of healthy breast milk as a breastfeeding mother. So don't be scared to use this, because for 2 weeks now that I've been using it, I have not noticed any problem with my son. He's feeding well and he's growing fine. The third ingredient I used is ginger. Ginger is good, it helps in digestion. Breastfeeding mother, you don't need to be scared, because ginger helps in the production of breast milk, so it won't harm your baby. So, and it also helps after childbirth. It helps in the healing process of your body. It reduces inflammation. So very powerful root. I will take you down to the kitchen and let's see how we prepare the drink. So that's my ginger, my fresh ginger that I blended. I just took it out of the fridge. It's so fresh. So that's the routine I do every morning. I take it out of the fridge, and that's my 2 lemon. So fresh and juicy. I love them. They are so good. And that's my glass of water. So that's the quantity of water I'm going to pour into the pot. That's the quantity I take every morning. And my pot, so I'm going to pour the water inside the pot now. So I take 2 tablespoons of the fresh blended ginger. So I'm going to take 2 spoons and put it inside the water I poured in the pot. So 2 spoons is enough for the morning drink. You can now cover your pot and place the pot on the fire. So it's boiling, it's really boiling, and I could perceive the nice aroma from the ginger. It smells so nice. So my ginger is ready. So I boiled it for about 5 minutes, and I take it hot like that. So I'm sieving the juice out of the chaff. I will wash the lemon, then extract the juice from it into the ginger that I just boiled now. So I'll extract it. That's how you extract it. If you have a juicer, it's very easy for you, but if you don't, you can do it this way. It's very simple. Same result you get from it. We are all done now. Our drink is ready. So welcome back, guys. This is my miracle drink. This is what I take every morning. I take the whole of this every morning. This is the glass cup I use to take it every morning to get good results and fast results. Take it every morning for 2 weeks and you will get a very good result from it. So I sip this on empty stomach every morning. The taste is out of this world, man. You need to taste this. The taste is out of this world. It does a very good job. I'm back to size 10 now from size 14. I'm back 10. So I'll leave you guys now. Please try it up. Try it at home. Just 3 ingredients. You need your water, your ginger, and you also need your lemon juice. So why I blended my ginger is because it makes it easier for me. As well, not blend yours, but I prefer to blend mine and I keep it in the fridge because I want it fresh every morning. It makes it so easy and fast for me. But most people, they prefer to just like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell to notify you whenever I post a new video, and like and comment and tell me the results you got from this lovely tea. See you in my next video. Bye.